If you run a chiropractic practice in Australia, your insurance needs reflect the clinical nature of your work and the commercial realities of running a small healthcare business. Chiropractic is a regulated health profession with specific professional liability exposure, and the physical nature of chiropractic treatment, particularly spinal manipulation, creates a professional indemnity risk profile that requires appropriate and specialist coverage. Here is what cover chiropractic practices need, what it typically costs, and how to approach comparing policies. Professional indemnity insurance is the most critical cover for chiropractors. It responds to claims arising from your clinical work, treatment that causes injury, an adverse outcome from a spinal adjustment, a failure to refer an at-risk patient, or a consent dispute. Spinal manipulation carries specific liability considerations, and professional indemnity for chiropractors should be obtained through a provider who understands the specific risk profile of chiropractic treatment. Chiropractic Australia and other professional associations offer access to professional indemnity programs that are specifically designed for chiropractors. Public liability insurance covers non-clinical injury and property damage on your practice premises. Patient and visitor injuries unrelated to treatment, a trip, a fall, or damage to a client's property are public liability claims that are distinct from your professional indemnity coverage. Ensure your practice carries adequate public liability cover for the volume of patients and visitors you see. Practice contents and equipment insurance covers your adjusting tables, decompression equipment, electrotherapy devices, and other clinical assets against damage, theft, and breakdown. Chiropractic equipment represents a meaningful capital investment, and appropriate contents cover ensures your practice can continue operating after an insured event. Business interruption insurance covers revenue loss if an insured event, fire, flood, or equipment failure, forces your practice to close. For a chiropractic practice with a full schedule of regular patients, even a short unplanned closure represents significant revenue loss and risks disrupting patient care plans. Workers' compensation is compulsory if you have associates, front desk staff, or other employees. Your workers' compensation obligations as a healthcare employer in your state or territory apply. Income protection insurance is worth considering for sole practitioners. If you are injured or ill and cannot practice, income protection replaces a percentage of your income during recovery. For a chiropractor whose practice income stops the day they cannot treat patients, this is a meaningful personal financial protection. What does it cost? Chiropractic professional indemnity is typically affordable compared to specialist medical indemnity, and professional association programs often provide competitive rates. Practice contents, business interruption, and public liability are additional annual costs. Speak with an advisor who specializes in allied health practice insurance. Use the free business insurance finder at Reliable Business Tools to find the right cover for your chiropractic practice. Answer a few questions and get matched with relevant options, no obligation.